What are the best resources for learning SQL?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the best resources for learning SQL. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, SQL is an essential language for working with databases. In this video, I'll share some valuable resources that can help you learn SQL effectively. Let's get started.
Online courses.
Online courses are a popular and convenient way to learn SQL. They provide structured learning materials and often include interactive exercises and quizzes to reinforce your understanding. Here are some recommended online courses for learning SQL. Coursera. Coursera offers several SQL courses from top universities and institutions. Some highly regarded courses include SQL for Data Science and Databases and SQL for Data Science. Udemy. Udemy has a wide range of SQL courses catering to different levels of expertise. Courses like the Complete SQL Bootcamp and SQL, MySQL for Data Analytics and Business Intelligence are highly recommended. Codecademy. Codecademy offers an interactive SQL course that allows you to practice SQL queries directly in the browser. It's a hands-on approach to learning SQL and is suitable for beginners.
Books and online tutorials.
Books and online tutorials can provide in-depth knowledge and serve as comprehensive references. If you prefer learning at your own pace or want to delve into advanced SQL concepts, these resources are worth considering. Here are some noteworthy books and online tutorials for learning SQL. SQL Cookbook by Anthony Molinaro. This book is an excellent resource for SQL learners. It covers a wide range of SQL topics and provides practical examples and solutions to common challenges. W3 Schools SQL Tutorial. W3 Schools offers a comprehensive online SQL tutorial that covers the basics as well as advanced concepts. It includes examples and interactive exercises to help you practice what you've learned.
Online documentation and forums.
When working with SQL, it's crucial to have access to reliable documentation and resources for reference. Online documentation and forums can be valuable sources of information, offering explanations, examples, and community support. Here are some reliable online resources for SQL documentation and forums. MySQL documentation. The official MySQL documentation is an extensive resource that covers all aspects of using MySQL, including SQL syntax, functions, and best practices. It's a comprehensive reference for MySQL-specific features. PostgreSQL documentation. If you're working with PostgreSQL, their official documentation is an invaluable resource. It provides detailed information about SQL syntax, features, and administration. Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is a popular question-and-answer platform where SQL enthusiasts and professionals share knowledge. It's a great place to find solutions to specific SQL problems or to ask questions if you need help. That wraps up our discussion on the best resources for learning SQL. Remember, online courses like those on Coursera and Udemy can provide structured learning experiences, while books like SQL Cookbook and online tutorials like W3 Schools can offer comprehensive references. Additionally, online documentation from MySQL and PostgreSQL, along with the support of communities on platforms like Stack Overflow, can be invaluable resources for your SQL journey. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll soon master the art of SQL. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.